Question number 22. Show that 2 minus root of x the whole squared divided by root of x can be written as 4x to the power of negative half minus 4 plus x to the power of half. So let's start working from the left hand side. We have 2 minus root of x to the power of 2 divided by root of x. The numerator is in the form of a minus b the whole squared, which can be expanded to give us a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So a is 2 squared minus 2 into the a again, which is 2 into the b, which is root of x, plus root of b squared, so root x the whole squared, divided by root of x. We can simplify 4 minus 4 root x plus x all divided by root of x. Since our answer is in the form of a fractional power, we will change the root signs to fractional power. Square root of any number is equal to that number to the power of half. So let's rewrite this. 4 minus 4x to the power of half plus x divided by x to the power of half. Now we can separate our fractions. So 4 divided by x to the power of half minus 4x to the power of half divided by x to the power of half plus x to the power of 1 divided by x to the power of half. Now here we have x to the power of half in the denominator. In the answer, we require the x to be in the numerator. So when a base moves from the denominator to the numerator, its sign reverses. So 4, when x from the denominator moves to the numerator, the power which is positive half becomes negative half. So 4x to the power of negative half minus. Now x to the half and x to the half will cancel out and we have just 4 left here. And here we have x to the power of 1, which is divided by x to the power of half. We know that when bases are divided, powers are subtracted. So this is about this portion. We will subtract the powers. So we have this as it is, minus 4 plus 1 minus half. When the powers are subtracted, we get x to the power of half, which is equal to the right hand side. So that is 4x to the power of minus half minus 4 plus x to the power of half. That answers 22. Moving on to question 23. Given that 243 root 3 is equal to 3 to the power of a, find a. So we see that our right hand side has a base 3 with some power a, which means that the left hand side can be written with a base of 3. So if we see 243 is 3 to the power of 5. So 3 to the power of 5 gives us 243. So we will rewrite 243 as 3 to the power of 5. And we can rewrite square root of 3 in terms of its fractional power, which is equal to 3 to the power of half. So into 3 to the power of half. And that is equal to 3 to the power of a. So on the left hand side, same bases are multiplied. Therefore, the powers will be added. So we have 3 to the power of 5 plus half. That is equal to 3 to the power of a. 5 plus half is 5.5 and that is equal to 3 to the power of a. Therefore, a is equal to 5.5 or better written as 11 by 2. That answers question number 23. Moving on to the last question, question number 24. Given that 4x cubed plus x to the power of 5 by 2 divided by root of x can be written in the form of 4x to the power of a plus x to the power of b. Write down the value of a and b. So we have 4x cubed. We'll separate out the fractions. So we have 4x cubed divided by root of x plus x to the power of 5 by 2 divided by root of x. Now again we know that square root of any number is equal to the number to the power of half. Therefore we can rewrite this as 4x cubed divided by x to the half plus x to the power of 5 by 2 divided by x to the power of half. And next step, 4, we have x cubed divided by x to the power of half. This step can be done mentally also, because we know that x cubed is dividing x to the power of half. So we can simply go ahead and subtract half from 3. But for those who may require a bit of understanding, we need to know that this x cube is dividing x to the half. So when the bases are the same and their divided powers are subtracted. Likewise, we have x to the power of 5 by 2, which is dividing x to the power of half. So we have 4x, powers are subtracted, 3 minus half, plus x to the power of 5 by 2, take away half, again powers are subtracted because bases are divided. And next you have 3 minus half gives us 2.5. 2.5 can be written as 5 by 2 because usually answer is given in terms of a fractional power. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 minus half is 2. So x to the power of 2. So the value A is 5 by 2 and the value B is 2. So we can write here, therefore A is equal to 5 by 2 and B is equal to